Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your fasting routine. Introducing the INNOTECH Nutrition Fasting Days Intermittent Fasting Drink Mix. If you're serious about intermittent fasting and looking for an effective way to support your health goals, this could be the perfect addition to your routine. Stick around as we explore its benefits, ingredients, and whether it lives up to the hype as the best fasting drink mix on the market. Let's kick things off with what makes this product stand out. Designed to aid in energy metabolism, maintain electrolyte balance, and support muscle function, the INNOTECH Nutrition Fasting Days drink mix packs a punch with 42 essential ingredients. It's not just about fasting. It's about ensuring your body gets the vital nutrients it needs during those fasting hours. Formulated with 10 grams of amino acids, 13 vitamins and minerals, and your daily electrolyte requirements, this drink mix supports everything from energy levels to gut health. Whether you're in it for weight management, improved focus, or just overall well-being, each serving is crafted to optimize your fasting experience. Now, let's talk about the practical side. Mixing up a serving is quick and easy. Simply blend it with water, and you've got a refreshing mixed berry flavor that's surprisingly pleasant. It's not overly sweet, which is a big plus for those avoiding artificial additives during fasting periods. To truly test its effectiveness, I incorporated this into my own fasting routine. Whether I was at work, hitting the gym, or just tackling daily tasks, I found myself more focused and energized. It's reassuring to know that even during fasting hours, my body was getting what it needed to perform at its best. Now, how does it stack up against similar products? Well, the INNOTECH Nutrition Mix shines with its comprehensive blend of ingredients and targeted benefits. Compared to other options out there, it's competitively priced for what it delivers. Let's break it down. On the upside, it's packed with essential nutrients, supports various aspects of health, and is easy to incorporate into your routine. As for drawbacks, some might find the price point a bit steep, but considering the quality and effectiveness, it might be worth the investment. So, is the INNOTECH Nutrition Fasting Days Intermittent Fasting Drink Mix worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're new to fasting or a seasoned pro, this product checks all the boxes for supporting your health goals during intermittent fasting. The blend of ingredients is thoughtfully designed to maximize your fasting experience without compromising on nutrition. If you're serious about optimizing your fasting routine, this could be your new go-to. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.